In the competitive world of sports, where every athlete seeks an edge, nutrition plays a vital role in winning. Whether in the gym, on the field, or in the ring, athletes harness the power of perfect nutrition that elevates their performance and achieve their goals. But before we jump into, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Fit-Folklore for more health and fitness tips. I'm gonna bring you to the world of avocados. Packed with potassium, avocados support muscle function and help prevent cramping, ensuring athletes stay at their peak performance. The vitamins C, E, and K in avocados contribute to strong immunity and aid in rapid muscle recovery, crucial for maintaining top form. For athletes across all disciplines, avocados aren't just food, they're a key component of a winning strategy. From the gym to the field, avocados are the athlete's secret weapon, ensuring they stay strong, focused, and ready to conquer any challenge. This is more than just a fruit, it's the fuel that powers champions. For more videos like this, just like and subscribe to my channel and Fit-Folklore, your way to health and fitness. Whether you're sprinting toward the finish line or pushing through the last set, remember to fuel your success with the natural power of avocados.